Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock your gallery album in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your gallery application in your Samsung Galaxy phone. And if you want to lock your gallery album, you have to activate gallery labs feature. You can go to the gallery setting, click on the three lines and open the settings. Okay, and you need to scroll down until you find the about gallery option. And if we want to activate the gallery labs feature, we can tap on the version 11 times, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 10 11 sorry. Okay, and now the gallery labs is enabled, and we can go back to the gallery setting. And as you can see that the gallery labs has been activated, we have to open it and we have to activate this album entry locks. Okay, and after that you have to close your gallery application. Okay, and we need to go back to our gallery and choose an album you want to lock. I'm going to lock my Telegram album, so we can tap and hold on the album and click on more option and select lock album. Alright guys, and that's all the way to lock album in our Samsung Galaxy phone's gallery. Hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.